Hey, we're Ben and Katie from 2 Wandering Souls, and now let us tell you a little story of how we accidentally stumbled into van life.
A couple years ago, we had big dreams of traveling around the United States for the summer. But the problem was we had a tiny bit of money to do it with. And after a little bit of research and talking to friends, we realized that building a camper van might actually be one of the most inexpensive ways to travel for an extended period of time.
So we had $1,000 and only 1 week to build our camper van.
But we did it! And we fell in love with that camper van. We named it Vinny, and we traveled all around the West Coast and absolutely had the best summer of our lives.
Every day of that summer was an epic adventure.
And even though we ended up selling Vinny at the end of the summer, we were absolutely certain that someday soon we would be doing a second camper van build.
And that someday is today.
We bought a van! We're just outside Portland, Oregon, and what are we looking for, Ben?
Campervans!
Yeah, specifically we're looking for a van, which we will convert into a camper van or a tiny home. And fingers crossed that we find the one. And right now we're standing in what is an empty shell, basically, and I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of overwhelming. There's a lot we don't know, and probably a lot we're gonna learn in the next couple of months.
It's gonna be a big process, but we bought a van! We're excited for the build and to get started. Let's get straight to the point. It's a really strange time to be building the camper van right now.
Right after we bought that vehicle, Corona happened. So today we're going to bring you through some of the hurdles we're facing and also some of the unexpected perks of building a van during times of COVID-19.
By the way, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we have lots more van build videos coming soon. One of the biggest perks of building a van right now is there's literally nothing else to do.
Nothing.
Hey Katie, what do you want to do today?
We could go to a coffee shop.
Can't, they're closed.
Could go to the gym.
Nope, it's closed.
Go to brunch.
Can't, restaurants are closed.
Could go for a hike.
Can't, trailheads are closed.
Do you want a beer?
Katie, it's 9:30 in the morning.
Well, I guess we could work on the camper van.
Yeah, let's go work on the camper van.
Let's do it.
Moment of truth.
Ah, we have a hole.
We got a hole.
And now on to the obstacles of building a camper van during COVID. We need a ton of supplies for this build, but going to Home Depot right now is a trip. Visiting Home Depot during times of COVID kind of sucks. You have to wait in line to get in.
To wait in line to get out.
And everything just takes so much longer. So we've been trying to minimize our Home Depot stops as much as possible. However, that's very difficult because every single project we're like, crap, we need one more nail or whatever it is. So yeah.
But we are very thankful that Home Depot is still open.
And that we live close to one. So I guess it's time to put our masks up and get out there. Wish us luck.
Let's hit it. And it's not just going to Home Depot that's a hassle. Everything that we order on Amazon takes forever to get to us.
Hey Ben, what you doing?
I am placing an order for our toilet for our van. Ah, crap. It's gonna take 2 weeks to get here.
Womp womp.
Pretty shitty.
Hey Ben, look what's at the door.
Nice. Our composting toilet.
It made it. Shipping is taking so long right now that we decided to order as much as we could for our build all at once, and it's kind of becoming a problem. We've been ordering a lot all at once, and we've had nowhere else to keep them but in our shed.
This is a little embarrassing. We kind of look like hoarders, so don't judge us. But all these boxes in the back are the things that we have ordered for our camper van.
So they're ready for us when we are.
As you can see, we still have a long way to go in this van build.
But we're super thankful to have this project right now. Plus, we think that road tripping and camping is going to be the first type of travel we're able to do, just because most international travel is going to be closed down for a while. So we're so excited for this to be adventure ready.
Yeah. For more van build videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel.
We'll see you next time.
I've been taking days off so I can do work.